Hey everybody, welcome back to the Homestead HQ where we talk about homesteading and preparedness. This is Shelly and we wanted to jump on here, Jason and I, we wanted to jump on here and talk to you about the 5 things that we feel like you need to make sure you're prepared with for this impending ice storm that's supposed to be hitting Kentucky in a few days. Hopefully it won't. Hopefully you won't even have to worry about these things. But we wanted to jump on here and give you a heads up on some things that you may want to make sure are in order.
Yeah. Guys, the first one we got on our list that we talked about was heat. Have an alternative heat source for your house and your property. If electricity goes down, the vast majority of people are using electric heat for their house, or their gas furnace requires electricity. So make sure you've got a way to keep that gas furnace going with electrical. Wood stove, it's great to have a backup wood stove in your house. I know a lot of people do. I've got a wood stove in my shop. I can keep it blazing hot in here if I want to, but have an alternative heat source. Think outside the box. Go check out our last video that we did. We covered a whole lot of stuff in depth on this, but this is just a short, quick thing. 5 things to have and 5 things to get ready.
Number 2, water. Make sure that you have enough. We're going to say 3 gallons per person per day. A gallon to drink, a gallon to cook with, and a gallon to wash with. You want to make sure that you have at least enough water to last for a couple weeks. You might be able to store it in a basement or someplace like that because it's not going to freeze as quickly as it would, like on the main level of your home. I don't know that you would be able to put up enough water to take care of your livestock. Maybe you can. That might be something you want to look into, but definitely have enough water in your house for the people who live in your house, 3 gallons per person per day.
And number 3 on the list, food, and specifically easy to prepare food. Maybe a lot of snack stuff that doesn't have to be prepared. Maybe stuff, I hate to say it, MREs. You can eat those things. You don't have to cook them if you don't want to. But food that's easy to prepare, because think about it. If you don't have electricity, the vast majority of people have electric ranges and electric cooktops and ovens. So those things are probably not going to be working. If you've got a gas range, you're golden. Just keep on cooking like you normally do. But have a good supply of easy to fix and easy to cook foods on hand for, maybe possibly up to 2 weeks. So have that. Shelly?
Number 4, winterizing. So when we say winterizing, you can get into some serious money. We're not talking about putting in replacement windows or something like that, but you can go around and put plastic over your windows to keep air from coming through. Or if you can't get the plastic, you could even hang blankets over your window, tack them up around your windows to keep the air from coming through. You might have to close off certain rooms of your house that you don't use very often to keep warm, just a few rooms in your house. You could even put towels underneath the doors to keep drafts from coming through. Make sure, in our last video, Jason made the excellent suggestion of making sure that you have all your laundry done. Get your laundry done up Saturday and Sunday. That way you don't have to worry about it. And if you need to pile on layers of clothes, you've got clean clothes to do that with. But go around and make sure that you've got those drafts sealed up and all that kind of thing.
Yeah. And number 5 on our list, the last one that we got, is a generator. Have a generator that is ready to run. If you have a generator, go ahead and start it today. Make sure the thing's running. Make sure that it didn't gum up, that the gas didn't gum up the carburetor. Because the worst time in the world to be working on a generator is when there's ice falling and it's cold outside and you're under pressure to get it done. The best time to do it's right now. Go out to your shop, go out to your garage, fire that generator up, make sure everything's working, no pressure zone. You've still got time to get a part or something like that. But have a generator to where you can have some backup power and stuff like that. And I know not everybody has the money to run out and buy a $500 or a $1,000 or a $10,000 generator. But if you can, have a generator. It's going to be something that you're going to have. It's not a disposable item if you take care of it. You're going to have it for years and years. And another thing you can do is, if you're watching this video and a lot of people don't know about the ice storm coming, go rent a generator. And you don't have to rent a generator right now. Set it up to where you pick it up on Friday. Go ahead, schedule it, because I'm a contractor. I rent a lot of equipment. I can call right now and schedule, and they will make sure I have the equipment I need for the day I want to pick it up. So call Sunbelt United Rentals and say, hey, I want a generator for this weekend. This is what size I need. Here's my debit card number. Hold it for me, and I'll be there Friday to pick it up. Rent it for a week. It's going to be a heck of a lot cheaper renting one of those things than going out to Home Depot or Lowe's and buying one. So if you're
That's
stretched
a
for
great
cash,
idea.
yeah, if you're stretched for cash, rent one of those.
Hey, y'all be safe during this storm. Like I said, I hope that nothing comes of it. I hope that it just blows over. Maybe might get a little bit of snow or something. I hope we don't have to deal with ice, but you just be careful. If it gets really cold in your house and you can go stay with somebody else, do that. If you need help, call for help. Have your, community people to get a hold of. Just do what you need to do. Take care of yourselves.
Yep. Be careful, and we will see y'all soon. And we hope everything stays good and we don't have the ice. But watch this video, take it to heart, make some notes, watch it a couple times, and we appreciate y'all. And we will see y'all on the next one. Goodbye.
Bye.